Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is considered a dessert. A delightful and elegant dessert known for its crisp meringue shell and soft, marshmallow-like interior, topped with fresh fruit and whipped cream. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as Pavlova, Pavlova, Pav, Lo, Far, Pavlova. Pavlova is often enjoyed as a show-stopping dessert at festive occasions like Christmas and New Year's celebrations, as well as summer parties. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Pavlova, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.